Hi there, Emma here, from Proven Signals. I entered a binary trade lower following our 3-minute binary options signals telegram. Because price increased in the first 15 seconds after our entry, I entered a second trade lower following our back-tested and proven double-up strategy. My risk on these two trades are $1,000 with the potential profit of $1,700 if the trades are successful. When you trade our binary options trading signals, make sure you change expiration time to 3 minutes. If you trade on the Nadex platform, but you don't see good results, I recommend you stop trading on that platform. It's a pain in the ass to make money with Nadex binary options because they only offer strict 5-minute binaries. So you can't enter trades at the best time. For example, if I get a sell signal but the Nadex platform binaries are at 1 minute left until the next 5-minute binaries start, you will have no edge and you will not be profitable. I've analyzed 19 different binary brokers, including Nadex, on a variety of factors including payouts, platform features, deposit methods, and regulation. The one I'm using is the best one right now. And it's one of the only binary brokers that accept clients from the United States and European countries. Price is above our entry point, so we are not in the money. But there's still time left until our binary options expire. We can't find the exact top and bottom every time. We need to accept that as traders. But by following back-tested and proven signals, we know we have an effective and profitable binary option strategy. If you want to give our proven binary trading signals a try, click the link in the description to join our free Telegram channel. Last week, we saw an average win rate of 91%. The trading platform we recommend to trade binary options also give traders a free $10,000 demo account to try all the platform benefits. If you decide to trade our signals, use this broker, because we send signals based on the payouts and probability of a successful trade based on what we see on this platform. My first trade expired in the money and a nice $850 profit. If you love trading as much as I do, please click the like button. Second trade 2, and a total profit of $1,700. If you want free binary trading signals, click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.